Hey everybody, here's another video. I am putting lowering blocks on my bike to lower it 2 inches because I have short legs. And so I just unbolted that. I get the bike jacked up so I can move it around a little. And you just take that bottom out. And then I'm putting this Advanblack lowering kit in. Just like that. And it's just going to bring it down a couple inches. So the block goes on like this. So right there like this. Just slips on. You bolt it on, put some thread lock on it, and then you line this one up and bolt it in. You put the washers on, and you're good to go. I already did the other side, so I'm just finishing this one up. But I just wanted to make a quick video. Alright, that's the bike with the lowering kit on it. Still looks like it sits pretty even, so pretty happy with it. Should make it easier for me to ride. Alright.